Hi Glam fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. So let's get into the video of today. Hi guys, so today we're going to be talking about the business of makeup and how to position your brand strategically in a way that you cannot be dismissed. So we all know that building a brand is not easy. Some days you're happy, some days you are sad, you're crying, but all in all, you just need to keep pushing, because the hard days are like the best days. Why? The hard days are the days that you learn. It teaches you the important aspects of entrepreneurship, so you have to give yourself grace. You'll not say because you now say you want to give up. No, you don't do that. You have to give yourself grace. You have to pay attention to the things that matter, like your marketing, your strategy, and overall your target audience. You need to pay attention to that. If you can identify your target audience, you're one step ahead of reaching your goal. So you have to, and ways to identify your target audience is consistency. You have to be consistent. Like, you cannot even overemphasize this. You have to be consistent. People are watching you. People are looking out for you, even though they don't react or they don't comment or they don't like your videos or stuff. They are watching you. You have to show up every day. You have to put in the work. You have to believe in what you're building, because people want to know if you even believe in yourself before they can believe in you. So don't underestimate your quiet audience, because those are the people that are actually watching to see what you're doing. Some people that end up patronizing you, they've known you for like a long time. They've been seeing what you've been doing, but they don't just show up, so but then eventually they do. So you have to continue to be consistent. I know it's hard to build a business from scratch, especially when you start to experience all these dark days, but then you need to keep it going. Like, you need to keep pushing and believing that okay, you're going to get there, because you will. Whenever you feel this way, what actually keeps you is your purpose, the thing that drives you to even start this in the first place, the thing that made you to start this business in the first place, your purpose. Everybody has what drives them to do stuffs. So before you started makeup, or before you ventured into doing makeup, there was a reason why you decided you wanted to do makeup. Some people for the money, some people because they're just passionate about beauty and they just want to be in the beauty industry. So there is something that drives you. So you need to find that thing and light that fire back again. That is what's going to help you in your dark days. So let's talk about pricing. So many people often complain about being underpriced, underpaid. The truth is, people are going to price you. People are going to price your services. In this Nigeria where we are, where everybody feels like you want to cheat them, they will price you. So, but the thing now, it's when these people come to you and start pricing you, it's now your place to let them know the value that you bring. It's your place to point out the value that you bring to the table. There's going to be a problem if you're charging high and your value is not correlating with the amount that you're charging. That's where there's going to be a problem. But if you let your clients to know that, this is the reason why I am charging you this, or you just point it out to them that this is what I am doing for you, this is what I'm offering you, they are not going to argue with you. Trust me, they are not going to argue with you. So you have to bring value to the table. You're not just showing up to do makeup, you're offering an experience. Do you understand? So you're bringing the client's dreams and expectations, to reality. That's what you're doing. That's one of the values that you're bringing. So the closer your offer is to, your client's desired outcome, the more likely they're going to book you or refer you, to people. So you have to know the value that you are bringing to the table. You can't just go up and increase your rates when you have not put certain things in place. People they're just going to walk over you. They are not going to patronize you. if you just increase your rate and every other thing is not in place. You have to have value to be able to boldly, with your full chest, increase your rate. You have to build your structure, you have to build your brand. Let people see the value you bring, and they will not be able to, dismiss you when you say, okay, this is your rate, this is what you're charging. Don't just look at, oh, this person is charging this one, or this person is charging like this. Why am I not charging? Are you offering the same value that person is offering? Are you offering the same value? If you're not offering the same thing, you shouldn't be looking at what that person is charging and what you're charging. You have to charge according to the value that you bring to the table. Yes, you have to do it. So what are the ways that you can build your structure so that you can, you will not be dismissed when you say, okay, this is how much. First of all, you have to, put your business in a place, position your business in a very professional manner. You should have a rate card. This helps to reduce pricing. Having a rate card helps to reduce your price, people pricing you. When you have it, when somebody messages you, DMs you to, okay, please, I want to inquire about your services and all. Be professional. Talk to the person politely. Send out your rate card. When the person says, oh, this business is actually organized and on. Have a booking guidelines. People should not just dictate for you how to run your business. Clients should not be the one to dictate for you. You should be able to, tell the client, this is what it is with working with me. This is what you are expected to do. This is what I'm expected to do. Have it stated out in a booking guidelines. This is going to help the clients to, respect you and your business more. You have to restore quality products. You can't be using very cheap product and expecting that they will pay you so much. No, it has to correlate, because if you want to calculate your cost from the product that you're using, it has to correlate. You cannot be charging so much and then your products are not, you're using bad products that are going to react on your client's face with the amounts that you're charging. No, you have to use good products, quality products as well. Make sure to always be on time. You shouldn't be late. Don't overbook yourself. Don't go and be collecting so many jobs and then it makes you very unprofessional. Get jobs that you can handle. Don't be late for your appointments. Dress properly. Smell nice. Go to work with clean tools. Be respectful to your clients. That way, don't be having unnecessary conversation with your clients. Have a gum in your mouth so that you don't have bad breath. There are so many things to look out for when you're building your brand. That way you can easily charge whatever it is that you want to charge with your full chest. Do you get? Makeup industry has grown so competitive, like very, very competitive. There are so many makeup artists that are good in the market. Like there are so many. You turn here, you're seeing this good makeup artist. You turn here, so you're not the only one. You have a lot of competition, and because of that, it means you have to always be on your toes. Do you understand? Like you're under so much pressure to be on your toes. So it's not just about being good that keeps you in business. The sooner you learn to adopt and pivot, the better for you, because just being good alone is not going to keep you, because of the level of competition that is on ground right now. This means you have to stand out. You have to put into much work to stand. It doesn't mean you should panic because there's so much going on in the industry. No, it doesn't mean you have to panic. No, because there are still people that are booking makeup artists back to back daily. Like the same way the business is competitive, the same way customers choke. So people are always looking for makeup artists. It's a business that is never going to go out of fashion. Do you understand? So it's just left for you to put out your strategy, strategize, put in more work, to be able to stand out, build your brand, have a clear brand strategy, your content, the messaging behind your brand, that makes you stand out and be your client's top choice. You have to work on that. Those are the important things that you have to work on. Do you get? There are so many people that are not even as good as you are when it comes to this makeup job, that you can literally see that you're better than people when it comes to the craftsmanship, when it comes to the work that they are putting out. Your work is better than them, but they get more bookings than you. Why? Because they are putting in the work underneath on their brand. They have learned so much. They have understood how the business works, and they are implementing all these strategies, to get their clients. So you too have to actually go in and doing the work to get clients. So it's not just about posting pictures. It's all the other things that entails in branding. How people perceive you, the experience your customers get from booking you. What do they experience? Is that experience that makes them come back to you? Not just the services the services you deliver plays a good role, like how good your work looks plays a big role. But then if your work is good and your services are trash, nobody's going to come back to book you or refer you. If you talk to your customers anyhow, you're not polite, you're being mean unnecessarily, or you don't show up on time, you're using bad products or stuff, they are not going to rebook you. Your business is just going to be for your family and your friends alone. Other people are not going to come. You're not going to be getting referrals and stuff. So you need to work on all these little things, because these are the important things that is going to keep you in business when your work is not keeping you in business. These things are going to keep you in business. They're very important. The experience that people get whenever they work with you is what is going to keep them coming back, or make them bring people to you as well. You cannot run your business without people. You cannot run your business alone. You need people. So you have to put in these things in check, please, so that when you open your mouth and say, okay, this is how much I'm charging somebody because of all these things that I am, providing, they will gladly pay you. They're going to pay you. Above all, pray. You need to pray. You need to commit your business into God's hands. You need to ask God for directions. You need to ask God for leading. You need to ask Him to position your brand to the right audience, to the people who you want your brand to be positioned to the people who you want your brand to see, to the people who see value in what you bring. Because it's not even all about offering value. If people are not even, they don't want to see the value, even if you offer all the value in the world, they are not still going to see. So you need to pray to God to position your brand and your business to the right people, the right people that will not stress you, clients that will not stress you. So you have to pray, and I believe with that, everything is going to come. Manifest, affirm, speak words of affirmation over your brand. Call for what you want to see. Ask God to, show you, give you wisdom on how to run your business. So with that, we've come to the end of this pep talk. I hope you learned something. I hope, you were able to understand a few things that we talked about. Let me know the challenges you face as a makeup artist thriving or struggling to thrive in the makeup industry. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts and everything. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. I'm just going to let you watch the rest of the video and enjoy it. Thank you. Bye. I love you all. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.